Good afternoon. This is Deirdre, and we are going to do a Yoga Nidra. Find a comfortable, supported position, lying flat on the ground with your legs apart and your arms a little away from the body with palms up. Make arrangements so you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes and keep them closed until you're told that the Yoga Nidra is over. If you fall asleep during this Nidra, it is okay. Allow my voice to be an anchor that draws you back into awareness of the present. Set an intention to remain alert, and then whatever arises, be there. Bring a feeling of inner relaxation to the whole body. Become aware of the importance of complete stillness. Be aware of your body from the top of the head to the bottom of the toes, and mentally repeat the mantra Om. Complete stillness and complete awareness of the whole body. Om. Continue your awareness of the whole body, the whole body, the whole body. Say mentally to yourself, I am aware that I am going to practice Yoga Nidra. Drop down into the deepest part of yourself, beneath the costumes that you wear, where nothing changes. This is your true self. Allow your deepest desire to surface. This is your intention. Make a simple sentence. Peace breathes through me, or I am able to give and receive love easily. Imagine now a place where you can be totally relaxed and at ease. This may be a place or with a loved one anywhere. This is your inner sanctuary where you can come to at any time. Take into the altar or your heart and know this soothing image is there for you at any time in this Nidra in your daily life. Take a deep breath with this image. The whole body is lying on the floor. Become aware of the whole body. Feel the sensation of the whole body as radiating energy. Become aware of the right hand. Right hand thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, fifth finger, palm of hand. Become aware of your palm. Back of hand, the wrist, the lower arm, the elbow, the upper arm, the shoulder, the armpit, the right wrist, the right hip, the right thigh, the kneecap, the calf muscle, the ankle, the heel, the sole of the right foot, the top of the foot, the big toe, the second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe. Become aware of the left hand thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, fifth finger, palm of hand. Become aware of your palm, back of hand, the wrist, the lower arm, the elbow, the upper arm, the shoulder, the armpit, the left wrist, the left hip, the left thigh, the kneecap, the calf muscle, the ankle, the heel, the sole of the left foot, the top of the foot, the big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe. Now to the back. Become aware of the right shoulder blade, the left shoulder blade, the right buttock, the left buttock, the spine, the whole back together. Now go to the top of the head, the forehead, both sides of the head, the right eyebrow, the left eyebrow, the space between the eyebrows, the right eyelid, the left eyelid, the right eye, the left eye, the right ear, the left ear, the right cheek, the left cheek, the nose, the tip of the nose, the upper lip, the lower lip, the chin, the throat, the right chest, the left chest, the navel, the belly, the whole front together, the whole right leg, the whole left leg, both legs together, the whole of the right arm, the whole of the left arm, both arms together, the whole of the back, buttocks, spine, shoulder blades, the whole of the front, abdomen, chest, the whole of the front and back together, the whole of the head, the whole body together, the whole body together, the whole body together. Visualize your whole body lying on the floor. Become aware of your breath. Feel the flow of your breath in and out of the lungs. Feel the natural rhythm of your breath. Your breathing is natural, automatic, no effort. Don't try to change it. Maintain awareness of your breath. Imagine a shining star on top of your head, radiating rays of energy and light. This bright star is illuminating everything in your mind, just as the sun lights up the earth. You can direct this inner light to anything you wish to see, and it will reveal it for you. Imagine a beautiful red rose glistening with morning dew. The light from the star is lighting up the rosebud within you. Slowly the petals unfold, exposing the long, delicate stamens at the center. There are many more things you can direct your light to. I will just name a few. Without opening your eyes, visualize and light up the objects in your mind's eye as I say them. Red rubber ball, sandy beach, brightly colored seashell, fish swimming in water, kite flying in the sky, sleeping cat, butterfly amongst flowers, rainbow across the sky, waterfall, green balloon, school bus, children playing, monk in meditation, snow-capped mountain, rising sun, blue sky, fluffy clouds, boat on river, yellow square, red triangle, white circle, black dot. Next, take the star to the eyebrow center and try to visualize it there for a few seconds, illuminating your whole mind and increasing your ability to study and learn and to accomplish all that you want to do in life. Now it's time to repeat your intention. Say your intention 2 to 3 times silently with full awareness and attention. Relax all efforts. Draw your mind outside and become aware of your breathing. Become aware of the natural rhythm of your breath. Become aware of the whole body and the breath. Your body is lying relaxed on the floor. Your breath is quiet and slow. Your body is totally relaxed. Develop awareness of the whole body from the top of the head to the tip of the toes and mentally say, Om. Repeat Om to yourself 2 more times. Become aware of the floor and the position of your body on the floor. Visualize the room around you. Become aware of the surroundings. Lie quietly for a few more minutes with your eyes closed. As you are ready, begin to move the body slowly as it feels good. Take your time. Don't hurry. Roll over to one side whenever you are ready. When you feel ready to use your arms to press up to a seated position and open your eyes, the practice of Yoga Nidra is over.